All right, today we're going to bring a security measurements for your brakes, right? And this is a perfect device, not just for brakes, but also it has a little pick here, if you guys can see the little pick here. And that's actually to break glass. In case you ever get trapped in your car or anything else happens, this is it. Now, another great feature is right in the front right here, if you guys can see that right there, there's a little sharp edge, and that's to cut out seatbelts, because most of the times when people get in danger or the car gets flipped, they're stuck on their seatbelt. You grab your tool and you easily go cut it through. Now, it's not going to be an easy task, like I said, easily. I'm sorry about that. It's something that you'll never have to go through, all right? Now, in order to make this work, if you guys can see, it's a lock-in mechanism. This actually goes into the actual end of your car, and it has a spring in here where you have to step on it right here. Now, in order to do that, you push it up and then you push it all the way down, but you got to press on it so you could get that extra secure on your car. Now, once it's there, there's nothing you can do until you get your key in here, and the key is a simple key. They give you 3 keys. When you step it in here, you just twist it and it automatically goes back because of the springs. Just make sure you properly put the key in. I'm not looking at it right now. There you go. Now be careful when you're doing that, and then to put it in place, look at that, it goes back in here and it locks in, and that's pretty much it. So very secure, easy to use. And this is not visible, so anybody gets in your car, they're not going to be able to see it or start your car without this thing, because the brakes are going to be locked in there. But like I said, also we can use as security. So let's put it to a test, see how it works. All right, the way it works right now, we have it locked, completely locked. All right, this is where you're going to step on it. All right, so what you want to do is put it in there, all right, all the way through, and then you step on it, all right, as much as you can where it hits the wall, and then pull this thing, lever back, and then pull it back, and that should do it. Now, if they try to steer your car, look at this. It's not going to go anywhere. This thing won't come off at all. And it's a perfect, like I said, not only for brakes, but also for security. Now, to take it off, all you got to do is get the keys, all right? Put the key in there, hold it straight, and it automatically locks in, and you're able to take it out.